Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vic and Happy New Year and 새해 복 많이 받으세요. So it is 2021 by the time this video is up, and I really want to wish everyone a Happy New Year. And I'm just so happy that 2020 is in the past and 2021 is here. So I just really hope that this year is going to be a better year compared to 2020, because 2020 was a very hard year for everyone. There was just a lot of chaos and there was a lot of sadness. There was just barely a hint of hope or happiness in 2020. But still, I hope that all my video and content brought you a little smile every time. But still, I really hope that this year will be a lot better and I'll still bring a lot of great content to you guys. So yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be reacting to Rain and JYP's collaboration song called 나로 바꾸자, Switch to Me, and I am really excited. I did hear that this collab was going to happen, and at first I was like, oh, okay. I was actually really excited because both of them are very talented and at the same time a little similar in a way. Their music genre and concepts are sort of similar, so definitely I think this will be a very fun collab. So all of you guys should know who JYP is. JYP, he is the CEO and founder of JYP Entertainment, and also he was also previously a singer and also still is a singer as well. And P, Rain, as you guys know, he is also a singer as well, and he was previously in JYP Entertainment, so that's how they sort of know each other. And also he is now a dad and married. Also, you should know him through Suck 3, which was the project group that they did, and he was a part of that as well. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really curious as well what kind of concept this will be. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, they're at a bar.
형 요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되시니까.
Oh, so now it's acting. There's a scenario, okay.
아니던데. 영성이 자자해.
그래도 형 따라가려면 멀었죠.
Ooh, the tension.
따라잡겠던데. 넌 수단과 방법을 안 가리니까.
그거 다 형한테 배운 건데요, 뭐.
Oof, the tension. Fight, 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 fight. Of course, there has to be a girl in this, of course. Oof. Very JYP. Okay. The piano. Ooh, the tension. Okay, competition. Oh. Oh my god, his outfit. Oh god. Eee. The movements are so like old K-pop. Very like jumpy, very like very hardcore. I love how both of them are married, but okay. Oh my god, it's probably so cold. Is he actually on a horse? Oh my god. This is actually sort of iconic. LOL. Why did they put him in a crop top suit? Oh god. I mean, he has a nice body, but still. Definitely their concepts are so similar, so this is so funny. Okay. Oh god. Is earthquake? Oh my god, actually? Oh god. This is so funny. So they're just fighting for the girl. It's so funny. This is so funny with the helicopter. Oh god, but thanks CG. Woo! Both of them, man. Oh god. What is this? Oh, who is she gonna choose? Oh, she has another guy for sure. It's Psy. That was iconic. That was so iconic. Oh my god, that was so funny. Wow. Yeah, so we just finished watching the music video and that was so good and so iconic. I don't know, like, really how to explain this, but it was funny and really iconic and comedic. It was just, yeah, because they're just trying to make like a scenario of them, because Rain used to be under JYP, and in the beginning he was sort of like, I learned that from you, and stuff like that, and there was tension, but it was sort of jokingly tension, and obviously there had to be a girl within this, so guys can fight over and see who the girl chooses after appealing to her, like giving her money, or like not money, but like giving her things that she might want. And since Rain, he started his own company, and also JYP having a really big company, and being successful, he was like, you know what? I think you're still better than me, but at the same time, I can do better and stuff like that. It was just so funny because it sort of felt like a very like comedic like competition between companies, I would say, since Rain was under JYP before, like, so it was just sort of funny, and it felt like an inside joke in a way. And then at the end, freaking Psy had to come in, of course, and it just felt like companies fighting in a way, in the comedic way, and it was just so iconic because Psy also has like that tendency to like get girls in a way in his music and his music videos, so it was just so funny and iconic. And yeah, I really like how they added him in because he's a very iconic guy in Korea, so, and all you guys should know him as well. So either way, this was really funny, and I don't know, it was just really fun to see what kind of chemistry they have because it was really well shown into this, and the song was just very retro and very disco-y. Definitely I need to mention P's outfit. Why? I get that he has a nice body, but like, at least give him a full suit because he had a crop suit and I was like, yo, y'all need to chill on that, but still he killed it. And also JLP had his own like slick outfit, I would say, and so it was really fun, and the dance was very like hardcore, and it was just, a lot, but it was very fun and funky and I really liked it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you're a Rain, JYP, or Psy fan, and also what you thought about this song. And also go to my community board to get updated with my channel and see what my upcoming videos will be. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And once again, Happy New Year, guys. I hope you guys are spending your New Year's with your family and loved ones. And also please stay safe and healthy, and Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
네가 너무 아까워